was captivated by the morning light, breaking through my window, painting colors bright. All the little knickknacks on my shelf told stories that I'd never heard myself. The mundane world outside was waking up, but I was lost inside this coffee cup. Reluctantly I knew I had to go, but something in the air began to grow. Listen, words that come alive. Let's help our minds to thrive. From captivated to vivid scenes, and let's shows us what it means to find the magic in between. Walking down familiar streets I know, seeing them with eyes that seem to glow. The ordinary transformed to gold, when stories wait for us to be retold. Let's six words that come alive. Let's help our minds to thrive. From captivating to vivid scenes, let's shows us what it means to find the magic in between. Captivated, completely interested, fascinated or drawn in, eternally lasting forever without end. Knickknacks, small decorative objects that are not very valuable, mundane, boring or ordinary, not exciting. Residents, people who live in a certain place, savor to enjoy something slowly and with pleasure, reluctantly doing something unwillingly or with hesitation. Vague, not clear, uncertain or hard to understand. Vibrant, bright, full of energy and color, vivid, very clear, strong, and realistic in the mind. Listen, words that come alive. Listen, help our minds to thrive. From captivated to vivid scenes, Listen shows us what it means to find the magic in between. Listen, always listen. Listen, whoa. Listen, whoa. Listen, whoa. Listen, whoa. This has been List 6. Class dismissed. See you tomorrow. Class dismissed. See you tomorrow.